In this example, we're going to use a list style question where the students will actually be required to type in no particular order, the answers. So my question is, and then this particular question is going to require 3 answers. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as 3, type in my answers. After I've typed in my primary answer, are there any alternative answers or spellings I want to include? Well, actually in this case I'm going to. So once you enter the answers, go ahead, go to settings, and see if there's any settings you want to apply. In this particular example, you may want to actually extend the timer for this particular question to give the students a little extra time to type in their answers. Another thing that's actually set up here is show predictive text for responses. Once you're satisfied, hit save. To see what the student's going to see, let's turn on participant view on off. And you can do this both in practice mode and in regular play mode. This is what the student sees. They simply type in their answer. And you'll see the predictive text up here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Take care.